Today is an historic day, whereby the nation, the Republic of Kenya, is gone to feel the weight of an MCA. The issues raised, that were raised at KCC, they were pregnant. Today is the day we are going to give birth to a baby boy, whom we have been waiting for so long. We cannot live in isolation. So, as the Honorable MCS of Nyamira County, we are not an island. We want to walk and talk as MCS of Nyamira, as MCS in the Republic of Kenya. So, I support this motion with all my body parts and organs. Thank you.
With as many of the similar opinion that his house adjourns definitely, say aye. Aye. Will as many are of contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Honourable members, the house stands adjourned, signed, died.